Let's tour the Brighton home design by Dr. Horton. The entry greets you first with a desirable den office at the front of the home. You'll love the incredible two-story dining room, ideal for formal meals and entertaining. And having a comfortable bedroom and bathroom located on the main floor offers many advantages. Enjoy the elegance of the floor-to-ceiling tile shower and quartz countertop vanity. Now onto the great room, where you'll find a stately fireplace bump-out, along with plenty of natural light. The nook provides space for informal dining, and you'll appreciate preparing meals in this remarkable gourmet kitchen. The butler's pantry deserves consideration as well, but let's head upstairs to walk the rest of the home. The landing here provides access to bedrooms, plus a spacious linen closet. There are 5 generous bedrooms upstairs, each with their own walk-in closet. This home is using this oversized bedroom as a bonus room entertainment space. There are 2 more secondary bedrooms located near the center of the hallway, positioned on either side of the hallway bathroom. The craftsmanship of this full bath is noteworthy, showcasing a full-height tiled shower with bathtub and a dual sink vanity. Across the hallway, you'll discover the conveniently located laundry room, providing a rinse sink and ample storage cabinets. Now let's explore the private bedroom suite, your very own peaceful retreat located at the rear of the home. This tranquil oasis boasts an expansive dual sink vanity enhanced with sophisticated toe-kick lighting, a spacious soaking tub, and a stunning full-tile glass-enclosed shower. And this impressive walk-in closet boasts a custom built-in shelving system. To see more of this amazing Brighton home design, just call us at 206-681-1770, and we'll help you find your ideal Dr. Horton home today.